Gonna check out the Ozark tent rain test. Thinking about making it a hot tent stove, put the woods walker in it, maybe put a jack in here. I'm not sure. I'm not gonna use the inner tent liner because I'll be camping with the dogs and they just run into stuff constantly. But not seeing any leaks. Say she passed the water test and she's getting beat on by the dog, so it's handling pretty well. Next test, I'll be sleeping in it, hanging out, doing a camp, and maybe a hot tent. Here's another view of the tunnel tent by Ozark. It's an older tent I picked up on Mercari, or that website. Only paid $40 for it. It's like brand new. I've had it out here for a week, off and on rain, wind, some good weather too, but she's holding up really good. I've only had to adjust the guy lines a couple times. I didn't see any leaking in there. A little bit of condensation where the poles are, but I think she's gonna make a nice tent for the money.